you were doing 150,000 a month just from Pinterest.
Just from Pinterest, only Pinterest.
Hi guys. As you have seen, people are making millions on Pinterest, and it is as easy as it can get. Welcome back to Empire, where I share tips and strategies for building your empire. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the easiest side hustles that won't take you more than 10 minutes, and it can be done on your phone. Did you know that Pinterest has over 450 million monthly active users, and almost 77% of those users are women? That's a massive audience that you can tap into and leverage for yourself. Plus, Pinterest is a visual search engine, which means it's an excellent platform for showcasing products and services. As you can see, these people are doing it. As you can see, this one has more than 600,000 monthly views with less than 600 followers. This one has 26,500 views with only 36 followers. That means you don't have to have a massive following to get started with this business. What they are doing is that they pick a niche and they start to publish content about that niche. And then what they do is very clever. For example, as I have shown, these Pinterest accounts post about fitness and losing weight overall. And if we look at their bio, we can see a link that when we click on it, will take us to a course about weight loss, which we can buy. But the thing is that this course is not their course. Rather, they are only promoting it, and when they make a sale through their link, they will get a commission from it. In this video, I'll show you all the steps the guy takes to make that much money. They're very easy and can be done in less than 10 minutes. First, we will create an account. Go to Pinterest.com. Click on sign up or scroll down, and there you can see that you can create an account through Facebook, a Google account, or just any other email. Put in your email, password, and age. Hit continue. Here you can change the language and the country. Hit next, and here choose what you are interested in so they can show you more of it. Choose 5 of them and hit done. Now it's all set up and you can see your home feed. For the niche, I will choose fitness and healthy diets. They are popular topics that appeal to a broad audience. People are always looking for ways to improve their health. And unlike some other niches, the fitness and healthy diets niche often leads to repeat business as people continue to work on their health and fitness goals over time. Now go to your profile and change the name to your brand name. Tell them about your brand in the bio. Write a username. Now we have to create a logo for the brand. And for that, I will go to Canva.com. Canva is a graphic design platform and is used to create social media graphics, logos, and much more. Click on the search box and choose logo. In search logo templates, we search for healthy woman. As you can see, there are dozens of ready-to-use templates, but I don't like any of them, so I change it to fit woman. That's more like it. Now search and see if you like any of them. I really like this one. Click on it, and it comes to the board. Now, as you can see, you can change everything in the logo. For example, I want to change this graphic. Go to Elements and search for Fit. Go to the Graphics section. See if you can find something you like. I like this one. Click on it, and it will add it to the logo. Now delete the other one. You can change the position and size and edit everything. Now put your brand name there. Just like that, we have a logo for our brand. To download it, click on Share, Download, then choose the size and hit Download. Now go back to Pinterest and change the profile picture. Hit Save, and it's done. Now you're going to convert our account to a business account. Because business accounts allow you to create all forms of pins, while a personal account allows you to create only static and idea pins. The Pinterest personal account does not allow you to view the analytics on your pins, but a business account does. And for that, click on the V shape next to your profile picture and choose Convert to Business. Now hit Upgrade. Now put your brand name in there. Hit Next, then choose your goals and your niche. Then choose what best describes your business. Hit Next and choose whether you would run ads on Pinterest or not. Hit Next and it's done. Go to your profile again, and now you can add a cover. To get high quality picture, go to Pexels.com and search for Women Fit. Scroll down, choose what you like, and download it. Now add the picture to your profile cover. The account is now ready to publish content. Before we go any farther, I want to remind you guys to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because here at the Empire, we will help you to build your empire. Back to the business. When we look at the previous examples, we can see that it's mostly videos that they post, specifically TikTok videos. We will do the same thing. Go to TikTok.com. Search for the topic or niche that you want. As you can see, these are all videos that you can post to your Pinterest account. But don't forget that we have to credit the creator of the video. If we credit them, it will be like some kind of promotion for them too. Choose what you'd like to post. To download it, copy the video's link and go to ssstick.io. We can download TikTok videos without the watermark here. Just paste the link, hit download, choose without watermark, and that's it. Now we have the video. Now create a text file and write down the creator's name to credit them afterwards. Now we want to get the links and put them in our bio. To get the links, we will go to Digistore24.com. Digistore24 is a reseller-based online sales platform for vendors and affiliates. As an affiliate on Digistore24, you can promote digital products and services from different sellers and get a cut of each sale made through your referral link. The platform provides a wide range of digital products and services that you can choose from, including ebooks, courses, software, and memberships. To become an affiliate on Digistore24, you need to create an account. Go ahead and do that. After that, you will land on this page. Now go to the marketplace and search for products that fit your niche or target audience. On the left side, you can see all the niches. Click on your niche and you can see a variety of products and services. Once you find a product you want to promote, you can generate a unique referral link that tracks all sales made through your link. Choose what you like and click on Promote Now. Now we have the link that we want. Copy the link and put it in a text file. We can list more than one link in our bio, so choose about 4 or 5 products to promote. Now to put more than one link in the bio, we need to create a link tree. Go to linktr.ee. Linktree is a social media tool that allows you to create a clickable list of links that can be added to your social media profiles to direct your followers to multiple online resources from a single location. Sign up and create an account. Hit the add link, paste the link of the product that you got from Digistore24 and hit add. Repeat that for as many links as you like. As you can see, it does not have a nice appearance or user interface, but you can customize it. Hit appearances. Change the picture to your brand logo. Add your bio. You can change the theme and appearance of the links. There are dozens of themes that you can choose from, or you can create one for yourself. It's really easy and simple. If you are satisfied with it, click on share and copy the link. Now go back to Pinterest and add that to the website section. As you can see, it is there in our bio. Click on it to see if it works and functions as we want. Now everything is ready to make money. Because Pinterest heavily promotes idea pins, we now post the videos as idea pins, which is how these people are able to receive hundreds of thousands of views each month. So go to create and hit create idea pin. Click on the arrow and find the video you downloaded. Now add the title and the tags. Don't worry about the tags, people can't see them, so put as much as you like in there. Now click on the video, and there you can add text and edit the video. We will add this text to all the videos we publish. Click the link in my bio for tips on losing weight and living a healthy life. Now the people that see our videos know that we have links in our bio, and this will increase the chances of getting sales. You can change the cover too. If you are done, hit publish. Once it's published, we are going to credit the creator in the comments, and we will be the first to comment. That's it, you can post more than 10 videos every day easily in less than 10 minutes. Finally, one of the most significant benefits of Pinterest is its search engine capabilities. With over 450 million active users worldwide, Pinterest is a massive platform with a vast amount of content. However, unlike other social media platforms where content is often lost in a feed, Pinterest's search engine capabilities allow users to easily find and save content that interests them. This means that your content on Pinterest can continue to be discovered by new users long after you've posted it, making it an evergreen content platform. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in another one.